Welcome to the new Sunflower Bank First National 1870 Guide to the New Mobile Banking App. The user will be able to sign in using their online banking username and password. They can also sign in with facial recognition if they enable biometric devices on the desktop version. Once signed into the mobile version, it will mirror the desktop version. On the left, you can see that when I click on Accounts, the user will see the exact same drop-down menu you would see on the desktop version. This video is going to concentrate on some of the new features of the app using the card control option, which is shown on the right. Once the user selects card control, they will be prompted to add their card information. The user will need the card number, security code, and expiration date. More than one card can be added on to this feature. Once the card is added, the user can set up preferences and alerts, which I will go over in a minute. The main feature on this screen is the ability to turn the card on and off. The green button means the card is on. If the user elects to turn the card off, the card is in a warm status. So if the card is lost or stolen, the customer will need to contact the bank to have the card canceled and a new card ordered. Let's briefly go over some of the preferences, alerts, and settings the customer can use to customize the app. Here we clicked on Control Preferences. As an example, the customer can control where their card is used by location. So they can set their location and have transactions out of that location denied, and they can even set regions in the case of traveling. International settings are also available. There are extensive help screens for each of these preferences in the app to help with the features if you would like more detail. These screens are examples of merchant and transaction controls. You can control the type of merchant you would like to allow and even control the types of transactions you would like to allow, such as only in store, in case someone with access to the card is doing too much online shopping, for instance. The last one is spend controls. You can put a limit on the dollar amount of transactions if you wish. This is an excellent security feature. The last screen example shows the alert preferences. Using the same categories as control, the user can go in and set up alerts when certain types of transactions occur. The app is pretty user-friendly and highly customizable. You should feel free to explore all the great new features and set it up as you wish. This concludes a brief overview of the mobile app.